see this in New York.
Rat versus pigeon. Who will win? Rat's got him in a nice headlock. The pigeon's going for the triangle. He's gonna try to reverse it. The pigeon can get a leg lock. I think he can win. This is exactly as entertaining as MMA.
Oh shit, it's survived, man.
Whoa, the pigeon got the pigeon! Run! Run, pigeon! Run, pigeon!
Pigeon is done. Pigeon is done.
He's back. Oh man, that pigeon
Is done.
pigeon can't fly.
Pigeon is broken.
The rat's gonna eat the pigeon?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
The rat's eating aggressive.
I didn't know that.
Just wait from the bottom.
There you go.
The rat was hungry.
Great rat.
Man, he just lifted him up.
That's it.
I'm telling you, New York has like genetically mutated rats that are just like superpowers. Killing pigeons. Now this is insane.
It's not even a big rat, right?
Yeah, I've definitely seen bigger rats than that in the subway.
Oh, that was unexpected, man.
Is that pigeon dead yet?
No, I think it's close to dying.
We need an Australian guy like narrating this. The pigeon. Nature at its very crudest.
Well, one disgusting animal eats the other.
I think that's it. It's getting peaceful.
Pigeon is done.
How did he catch
Oh,
that?
it's
I don't know.
It's trying to get out.
That pigeon flies out here, I'm gonna freak out. No, I think the rat's got him. That's it.